The process of getting clear aligners into the patient's mouth is actually really seamless. We now take a digital scan of every patient at the new patient exam, and that is a really easy way not only to have the digital information that we need to manufacture and create that smile and create those aligners, but it's also a really awesome educational tool that we can show patients in real time, moving on the computer screen to show them what's going on in their mouth. And then most patients are really happy to hear that at the end of it, you don't have to do anything additional. We've already collected everything that we need to be able to start manufacturing your clear aligners. And we're also bringing some of that clear aligner manufacturing in-house, so we can now turn around clear aligners pretty speedy for patients. Sometimes we still need to outside manufacture, but we are manufacturing them all off of a digital scan that is an easy thing that we collect for every new patient right when they come in the door. It's awesome.